Hi, I'm Wilson from ATC CNC. Today we are going to show you our fantastic ATC machining center UE491. This is a milling machine with 12 followed automatic changing tools, processing and tool changing at the same time. Save time and cost greatly. The biggest advantage of KE is the use of absolute self-value model. Can be processed without returning to the original point, which greatly improving the processing efficiency. The spindle is 9 kW ATC spindle, which is considered to be one of the best spindles in China. It's an automatic tool changing spindle. The 12 tools allows your CNC router to complete highly complex jobs with the multi-tool ties with no neutral interaction. 12 follow type tool changing magazine, fast change speed, and a large tool magazine capability. The tool holder has been tested for dynamic balance with highly precision and good stability. The frame is made of a 5-sided machining center which has undergone temperature treatment and vibration agent treatment. Two core components are made of 16mm steel plates, and the other components are 8 to 10mm. Okay, so this is a brief introduction of UE Machining Center. If you want to know more about this model, like price and after-sales service, just contact us on Alibaba.com. Thanks.